Today I will talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Telegram X app. So all you have to do is you just go above this sign, click on it here, then it's going to show for you list like it is. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here, so you keep going down, then you click here on stickers and emoji here. So then you click here on suggest animated emoji here. Just click on it and here can you select in this list if you want to add install it in the recommended or only install it or no, and you click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.